Rear tie brace on your car.
It's back.
It's back. I'm ready to install this Z1 tie bar. Little tie brace just goes right where you adjust your toe right there. It does a little subframe stiffening, only weighs 0.8 pounds. So no worry about adding additional weight, but gives you a little bit more rigidity. Yeah, no, this will be fun. Get this thing unwrapped, grab a few tools, and throw this thing in less than 5 minutes. Ooh, she's pretty. Well, I got defeated by bubble wrap. That's it, everybody.
One eternity later.
There we go. Step one is going to be take a paint pen and draw a line from your toe bolt into the subframe. That way we can kind of line everything back up so we don't have to throw it on the alignment rack and realign it just for installing this one piece that takes 5 minutes. Get yourself a paint pen, Sharpie, whatever you got laying around in the garage. And I'm just going to draw a little line here, draw another line. And it doesn't matter where you put your lines as long as they're consistent to the subframe and the bolt. So you're going to grab 19 mil, put it on the front side, hold that bolt still, 17 mil on the back end. Just like that. And bingo. All right, so now that you got your nuts off your toe bolts, you're gonna take your bar, come on over, and just slap that guy. Now we'll put those nuts back on and line up our alignment right there. I'll just kind of dial that back straight, throw the bolts on, and we're good to go. So now grab your 19, 17 mil again, and then as you're tightening this, wherever you put your 19 mil wrench, just make sure it stays in that same position, because as you tighten, if this thing like cranks up or cranks back, that's going to change your alignment. So make sure your lines are level with your paint pen that you did at the beginning, and then put this 19 on, keep it straight, and then you can tighten everything back down. Sweet. So again, 19 on, I'm gonna hold it level. That's how easy it is to install a Z1 rear tie brace. So, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and tell us down below on what install video you guys would like to see next.